Hello, biker. You had a funny hat, didn't you? No feet. Hello and welcome to another test video for the DJi Action 4. This time I've got the showy NXR helmet on and I have the DJi mic attached to the DJi audio adapter. So it'll be interesting to see how this sounds over the Rode Lavalier Go mic. This DJi mic is wired, it's wired into the DJi audio adapter. So again, it's just a little test at various speeds just to see how this is, and what no better way to do it than on my commute to work. So let's see how this fares up. I've had a look at the footage on the Velcro style when I stuck the wireless 2 mic via Velcro to the inside of the chin on the Schuber flip up. That's the C4 helmet, and I was getting a lot of wind noise with that. However, on my second test at night going home, I had it wired into the Rode Lavalier Go, so it was still wireless but wired into the Rode mic, and the sound sounded a hell of a lot better, much less wind noise on that. So anyway, this is wired up to the DJi audio adapter, so I'll see how this sounds. Hopefully the TTLs are away from here. Fingers crossed. No, they're back by the looks of it. I suppose with making these videos it's good to see how they're progressing every few days. I love the smelly tar. Absolutely love it. It's another cracking day, I must say. It was quite good yesterday as well. It stayed pretty much dry. I did have a little downpour, but that never really lasted. And it was nice and dry for going home last night as well. I've still to review that footage actually, yesterday's footage. I was just trying to get the time. Smell that little MG. That petrol smell. B series engine in that, I'm pretty sure they're 1.8 B series. My mate had one. Cracking car to drive. 4-speed plus overdrive. I could fairly shift. Big heavy engine, that B series though. I've had a few Morris Marinas with the 1800 B series, and I've had Austin Cambridges, Wolseley 1660s, with the 1.6 B series. Again, big heavy engines. And the other Marinas that I had, they had the 1.3 A series engine in them, which is a fantastic engine. That's what's in the minis as well. Very tunable. Itchy nose. Wonder if I get the whooshy wind noise. Whooshy wind. Enridge, what's that? 75? 74? Mr. Focus can't be far enough out, eh? So moved over again, you fucking wanker. Oh, thank God I'm not going on that road. That city bypass, it's like that every single day. And it just causes carnage. Blocks all this section up as well when it gets really bad. I'm going this way again deliberately because there's temporary traffic lights just further up. So I don't want to get stuck in them. And schools were half day today, so they're all finished. Happy days. No feet. Just you stay there, pal. Tell you, they'll all be coming this way to avoid the roadworks on the top road. That's why. This is never normally as busy as this. So that's my guess. The roadworks on the top road. They're all coming this way to avoid it. And I can't blame them. This city's an absolute nightmare to navigate through now. Between roadworks and roads blocked off and this LTN rubbish. Absolutely pointless. All they're doing is they're just shifting traffic onto other roads and congesting up. Other roads blocking them all up, which in turn is just causing pollution. Hello, Mr. Transalp. Yeah, I've still got the visor open, so if there's any windage, that'll be why. That's a nice breeze. But I'll shut it anyway in case there's too much windage. The wind really spoils it. I actually prefer coming this way than going through the city. Less traffic lights and it just seems to flow a bit better. Today I think I'll take my little sneaky before that gets turned into an LTN. I didn't take the little sneaky yesterday and I'm sure that Kia got away from me. So we'll take a little right here. Not the radio on. Hey Cardo, radio off. Does anybody else's Cardo do that with the radio? It just comes on randomly. Cardo's fantastic, like, but that radio really annoys me. There you go, Mr. Toasty. You've got your own shop in Edinburgh. Honestly, this road, it's like a storm in the North Sea. You can't ride or drive along it in a straight line without having to avoid potholes, divots, badly patched patches from these cowboy utility companies that constantly insist on digging up the road. Right, we'll go left today because we've got plenty of time. Cannon Mills. That building dead ahead. You're lucky if that's been up, what, 2 or 3 years? And it's got scaffolding up already. So just shows you the modern buildings that they build nowadays don't last anywhere near as long as the likes of that building over there, or any of them proper stone buildings. Not kits like that with a 50mm stone cladding on the front of it. It's held in with ties, pins, basically floating. It's got no cornice on the top, so in a few years time the whole front of that building will be black. Whereas if you look at the buildings, they've all got cornices on them and string courses. So when it rains, it throws the water away from the building. If you want to see the effects of buildings without cornices or string courses, just look at the extension on the Museum of Scotland up at Chambers Street in Edinburgh. That building's practically green with moss already. And that's only 30-year-old, because I worked on that. Well, not on the new build, but I worked on the old part, the extension, or where they were extending into. I also cut my leg in that site as well. And it goes really deep down. There's about 3 or 4 levels underground. And I cut my shin on a bit of rebar. It was sticking up. Hill start. Hello, number 13. Oh, hello. And as usual, I get stuck at a red light. And on that note, I'll wrap it up here. If you have made it this far, thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what you think of the audio with the DJi mic. Bye for now.